guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair, you guys. My boyfriend actually retwisted my hair a few days ago, and I've had it up like this for the last couple of days because yeah, I've been sick. Okay, and my hand is actually feeling better, you guys. So I'm like, let me get back to my regular smegular. Alright, you guys, it's hot, so I'm gonna turn on my AC. It's a little loud, but don't mind it, you guys, because it's hot. Alright, so I'm not really sure how yet I want to do my hair, but first we are going to I'm gonna moisturize our locks. Yo, this smells so good. Okay guys, so now we massage a little bit. So now I'm gonna put in my oil, you guys. Make sure you shake it well before you put in your hair to get all the ingredients going. This oil will be available for purchase in the next couple of months or weeks. I'm not sure yet. You guys, it smells so good. Alright, so now we massage our hair. Yes, my edges never stay, so you're gonna have to work with my edges.
Chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Alright you guys, so I'm gonna stop right here. I wanted to do the whole thing, but I'm kinda liking how it's looking right now, so I'm probably gonna stop. I'm not sure if I like this yet, but yeah, so for right now it's gonna stay just like this. I'm gonna go tie down my hair, and also I'm going to do my edges. I'm using the 24-hour edge tamer, you guys, and yeah, I wish I had my edge booster, but this is what I have right now, so I'm trying to use it all before I buy a new edge booster, you guys, because I don't really like the 24-hour edge tamer. It just does not hold my edges, y'all. Like, it doesn't hold my edges at all, in my opinion.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. You can't deny.
Hey y'all, so I am back, and as you guys can see, it turned out really cute, you guys. It turned out really cute. So I need to put like a pin right here, a bobby pin. I was supposed to, but I totally forgot. Yeah, I'm gonna put a bobby pin right here so that it can stay. I like this because I don't really like when the hair is all in my face, like, because a lot of the time it like comes in my face and kind of like mess up everything. So I kind of really like how, you know, it's away from my face but it's still given. It's still really cute. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. It was really simple. I wanted to do like both of them, you guys, but I haven't done this style in a while, like the side thing. And I like this right here. This looks really cute. The goddess, the goddess braid going to the side. The barrel twist, I mean, going to the side. I really like it. It's super cute. And I like this little thing in the front that I did. Super cute, easy. Just do your edges, you guys, and you are good to go. So this is the end of this video, you guys. I gotta go because I'm already late. Let me know all your thoughts and your comments down below. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.